Hello, everybody. Hello. How is everybody doing? Welcome to Getting Busy with the Bee. And my name is B. I received a couple of requests. I mean, a lot of requests because I posted a picture of some pate lately, and you guys have been asking me to show you how I made them. So today is the day. I'm going to show you exactly how I made these deliciously looking patties. All right, guys, let's get busy. All right, it is very easy to make because we are not going to slave over making the dough ourselves, okay? You go and get this puff pastry. All right, this is what we are going to use to make our patties. All right, now when it comes to filling, I'm gonna make two types of patties today. I have some ground beef here, okay? Ground beef filling, that's what I'm gonna be using. And also I have some chicken. All right, so just regular chicken breast. This is what I bought, actually. Let me show you. I bought these, all right, pre-made. I bought these at Sam, all right? What you do, you let them go through your food processor. And then I added some sour cream, and then I shredded some onions and put in there. That's all, because the meat is already cooked and seasoned and everything. Okay, again, this is what we're gonna be using. And per the instructions, you will preheat your oven. If you have a regular oven, 425 degree Fahrenheit. If you have a convection oven, you go with 400. I don't know which one mine is. I'm going with 425. That's the first thing we're gonna be doing is preheating our oven. All right, let's do that right now. Okay, so now while we're preheating the oven, we can get our patties started. We're gonna shape them. All right, this is what you do. Again, it's very easy. All right. All right, this is what I like to do. Leave them on the parchment paper, okay? Don't take that out. Lay them on your sheet. All right, fold that down. You can see what I'm doing. Okay, now, when it comes to the shape of your patties, you can do whatever you want. So since I'm gonna be doing two types, I'm gonna be doing two different shapes. That way I know which one is what, okay? So, now I like to cut them. One sheet like that will give me 8 patties, you know. All right, so I'll go like that. If you can see what I'm doing. All right, just go like that. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just want to shape them. Now I'm gonna do the ground beef first. All right, what I'll do, grab your filling, all right, and then you just shape your patties. As simple as that. So the major thing is you have to have a good filling here, you know. So I made those with some onion, chopped up onions, and you season your meat nicely, and then, you know, that's what you're gonna be using for your filling. All right, so okay, you do like that. So I'm gonna make this type of shape for the ground beef. All right. I mean, it is so easy, guys. You can eat patties anytime. And you can give it whatever shape you want, and you can put whatever you want inside. It doesn't have to be ground beef. It can be anything. You know? It could be anything. Then we're gonna lay them nicely. So we're just filling them up right now. And try not to do like me. Don't overfill them like I'm doing. I like a lot of meat inside. That's why I'm doing that. That's why I'm doing that. But don't do like me. do you? All right, so let's go. All right. All right. So what we're gonna do now is to seal the edges. We're gonna use our fork to do that. All right. So they won't open on you. Okay. Go like that. That's about it. It's not complicated, right? So easy. I like this sheet, this puff pastry. I like it because it's very light and it doesn't have any aftertaste. Because I tried a different brand one time and it did have an aftertaste. That's why I stick to this one, because this one doesn't have any aftertaste or anything like that. So I found this at Walmart, by the way, you know, where they have all these pastry things, where the eggs are. This is where we'll find them. You know, go where the eggs are and keep going down, you'll see all the frozen pizza and things like that, and you'll see them there. Okay, so now after we do that, we have one egg in here. Okay, that's what's gonna give us our nice golden color. Okay, and then just you brush your egg over like that. All right, that's gonna give you a nice color. Okay, again, it doesn't have to be perfect, you know, you just brush it all over your patties. And meanwhile, don't forget, our oven is preheating. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna make the other batch with the chicken. That way we have two different flavors. And sometimes you can put, I mean, you don't have, it doesn't have to be chicken or it doesn't have to be meat. It can be anything else you like. Sometimes I put ham inside, or you can put jelly or whatever, cheese, you know, whatever you want. Let me do the other one. All right, our oven is ready, but you will have to wait for me. All right, so I'm gonna do the chicken now. All right. Alrighty. And those that don't last in this house, I have them for breakfast. I have them for afternoon snack. You know, anytime. Anytime. Alright, let's go with the chicken. Alright. Oh, for the chicken now, I think I'm gonna shape it differently now. Let me go ahead and cut. Okay. Same thing. I'm gonna have 8 patties, but I'm gonna shape it differently. All right. So chicken. Go here. All right. And I added the sour cream or anything just to hold the chicken together, but you can use whatever you you want to hold it together. All right. So I'm going with that shape right here. Wish me luck. I don't think it's working. So hold on. Let me do something else. I'll put a mark on them so I know. So I know which is what. I was gonna try to go like that, but I should have cut them like a square instead of rectangular. Duh. Like that. Okay. So how about I do something else? How about I do this? Look at that. How about I go like that? You know, I go like that, put a little piece of chicken in here, and I roll it. How about that? Can you see it? How about I do that like this? Yes! Chicken rolls! You know, you just do whatever you want, whatever shape, you know, make it fun. If you have kids, you know, they're gonna love doing these little things with you. You know, just shape it whatever you like. And you can make it as big as you want too. I'm being stingy here, trying to get 8 out of this. But you can make it big too. It doesn't have to be small patties like that. You know? You can do that. Then you just roll it over. Perfect. I'm gonna do one more roll. Like that. See, just roll it over. Alright, just go like that. Even if the meat is poking outside like that, don't worry about it, you know. It's gonna look nice anyway. And then where the seam is, you put it face down. Alright. Last 2. I'm gonna be very generous on these ones. So those are kind of big. Go like that. Now. Yeah. Okay, now we are gonna seal the edges again. So now, since I want to be able to identify the chicken, I'm gonna make some mark on top. That way I know it's a chicken. There we go. So let me see. Packaging says bake for 15 to 20 minutes. That's exactly. Oh, I forgot one. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm gonna put mine for 15 minutes, and I'll take a look at it. If I need an extra 5 minutes, I'll do that. But for now, that's what I'm gonna do. All right. So I will bring you guys back once they are done. See you guys back in a bit. All right, we heard the beep, so let's take a peek. All right, so this is after 15 minutes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I want them a little golder. I want them more golden. See? Isn't that cool? I'm gonna let them go in there for an extra 5 minutes. All right. 5 more minutes. I'll bring you back. Okay. Perfect. See? There we go. With the extra 5 minutes, we got the color we want. All right. There we go. With the extra 5 minutes, we got the color we were looking for. And immediately you take them off, okay? Don't let them sit on the paper. Immediately you take them off that baking sheet and you put them on your cooling rack. Perfect. Let me grab the other one. So we know this one is the chicken, even though I cannot see the the mark that I made on them, but since I know the tray and since I recognize these, those are the chicken ones. Okay. All right. So let me grab the other one. Oops. All right. So now this is the ground beef. But let me give you a tease. Look at that. Lord have mercy. Jesus, help us. There goes the diet. I'm not responsible for jeopardizing your diet. All right. I mean, I don't think those have that much fat in them. Yeah, who cares? Who's counting? All right. There we go. Those have the ground beef filling in there. Okay. All right. There we have it, guys. Those are gonna be yummy. All right. All right, so I'm gonna have a few of them pretty soon. As soon as they cool off, I'm gonna have like maybe 3 or 2 with some passion fruit juice. Oh snap. All right, guys, so thank you so much for hanging out with me. There you have it. It's not difficult. As you can see, it's very, very easy to make. Once you have the puff pastry sheet, you can do it anytime. And again, you can put whatever you like inside. Okay, I went with the chicken and ground beef. You guys can go with anything. Sometimes I go with ham. Whatever I have on hand, I put inside. You know what I mean? So you can do whatever you want with these. All right. So thank you again for hanging out with me. So if you're watching me on Facebook, don't forget to follow Getting Busy with the Bee. Now, if you're watching me on YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so yet. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye, everybody.